You're getting a live view inside the Orion spacecraft during some general daily activities that the crew is conducting. You heard communications with Christina Hansen. Christina calling down to Chris Birch here, our Capcom in Mission Control Houston. She continues to troubleshoot the ECG device that they are testing out. In the foreground, in the blue shirt, Commander Reed Wiseman, and next to him in the black shirt, Canadian Space Agency astronaut and mission specialist Jeremy Hansen. In the background, you're getting a look at NASA astronaut Victor Glover, pilot for the Artemis II mission, preparing to exercise. And what he is using is the flywheel device. We've discussed this a few times. This is
Houston, integrity for ECG. No joy seeing the device in the list of available devices when I attempt to repair it after doing the Bluetooth forget.
Sounds good. We'll wait for your call.
That call from the crew about performing a wastewater dump. We actually had great views earlier from inside the cabin while they did so. It was fascinating. Talking about, preparing for the future, but we've also had similar hardware on the space station for the past 25 years. So what are some differences in the hardware that we have now on Orion and versus what, we have on the International Space Station?
Yeah, our biggest difference between Orion, because we are a deep space vehicle, you have that very long return, and there's no coming back until when you do that translunar injection burn that we did yesterday.
Inside Orion, you see they have dimmed the cabin lights. They have this option to allow them to get better views outside the window so there aren't any reflections from that lighting onto the windows. Being that we are 123 miles away from Earth and that distance continuing to grow, we are 145,000 miles away from the moon. And I think I previously said 123 miles from Earth. That's 123,000.
At that, it's hard to imagine, but we can see here on our flight PFD that we are at 118,000 nautical miles. So, yeah, you can do the math. We can see the moon out of the docking hatch right now. It is a beautiful sight. We're seeing more and more of the far side, and it's just a thrill to be here.